How to start a digital marketing agency in 2024. Before I talk on this topic, let me tell you that why I'm the perfect person who can give you the proper knowledge on this topic. I'm in this field for the last 5 years and I myself own a successful digital marketing agency who is generating me around 3 lakhs every single month named Apni Pehchan. What is digital marketing business? Digital marketing is a service-based business where you provide your client any one particular service or multiple services which help their business in terms of growth, or let's say any particular service which can take the business from offline to online model, or let's say start a business from scrap over online. How many types of digital marketing services are there? Mostly there are 20-25 types of digital marketing services. The most popular ones are video editing, website development, influencer marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. So these are the most popular ones, and if you go more deeper, this 25 can increase up to hundreds. So from here only some people will ask me now that what is the difference between a freelancer and agency owner, because both are providing almost the same services. Freelancers provide the same service like website development and all, but the basic differences in the terms of quality. And every freelancer, every agency owner starts with as a freelancer only. Now the most curious question everyone asks me, that how much can a person make from digital marketing agency? The numbers can vary hugely on which niche you choose, which type of agency you are opening, but on an individual level, if I speak, a person can make around 5 to 10 lakhs every single month. But I know some people who are making crores every single month. How to start a digital marketing agency in 2024? Like, here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose a name and niche. Step 2, learn how to run Facebook ads, or let's say you're choosing video editing, which software should you use, how to use the software, how to render files, how to do color grading. Multiple things are there, right? Step 3, now some people ask that do we need a website while opening an agency? Do we need a registration government? So the answer is no. At first you don't need a government registration, at least private limited and LLP. But if you want, you can go for the website if you have a small amount of investment in your hand. But if you don't have any investment, just focus on getting clients first. Step 4, the most important and most searched question out in the internet: how to get clients, and the heart of the business. Because without clients, no agency will run, neither you will be working as a freelancer, and ultimately everything won't work actually, all the above steps. So the basic and the most important thing, how to get clients. The easiest way to get clients is from LinkedIn. Start reaching out to coaches, CEOs and business owners who actually need your services. Whatever service you're having, let's say you're having a video editing service, you're having a Facebook ad service, just make a proper portfolio. And if you don't have a portfolio, start working for free for at least 1 to 3 clients, then you have a proper portfolio. Step 5, I feel this is the most important step and the most important part of this video. And this is the reason basically why 90% digital marketing businesses fail in India. Repeat and repeat. Because until you repeat the DMs, until you reach out to many people, you won't be closing any client here. Because see, once you start a business, you're very new to the field and it's like a baby only, because nobody knows what is your business, what you are doing, nobody knows. But once you start reaching out to people, once you start capturing the market, you will understand, people will get to know you. Referral works are damn good here. Once you provide a good service to client, they will be referring to their other business friends, and that's how you can offer multi-million-dollar clients. So this all I have for this video, and I'll soon be coming up with a dedicated video where I will be telling that how you can get more amount of clients using my strategies. I have some multiple secret strategies out there, so I will be telling in depth in a video, and in future I will be coming up with multiple similar type of videos. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button if you have got a single amount of knowledge from my video. Thank you for watching. Signing off as Deb.